I'm gonna unbox this YESWELDER. I just got this thing in, so I'm gonna just unbox it and show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm gonna do a welding video after that and see how this thing welds. So let's see what it comes in. And you can get this off Amazon in the description. This thing is, man, it's really light, really light. I think they said it weighed like 13 pounds. The Ziploc bags. You got your ground. So this ground, I haven't read any instructions yet, but it looked like it's about 10 feet. So you got the grounding system, and you have the welder here. Let's take this off. It's got the 220 plug on it, so it comes with the 220. Little bitty welder. And you got a manual. And I'll go through the manual when I do the demo, do the welding. And then another Ziploc bag. You got your whip. It's a decent little whip, good for practicing. So this is your positive lead. Whenever you see red, it means positive. You have your adapter. So you got your 220 to 110. So the only thing you have to do is plug it in. And you can plug it into your 110. So I'm here in Houston, Texas. We're going to plug this thing up to the 110 and we're going to fire it up after this video. And you got your power on and off button here at the back. On and off. Feel like a little lunch kit. So I'm not sure how this thing is going to weld, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion when we fire this up. All right, we're going to go ahead and plug this in and just show you some of the features here. Like I said, I haven't read the manual yet. When I come back, we'll do demos with this. We'll weld with this. First, the power button is on here on the back. Just turn it on. But once you got this on, when you're recording with these phones, these numbers are fluctuating, but it's not. But down here, 1/16, 3/30 seconds is 1/8. It's hard to see. But what you can do, you can just push this button and go between different rods you have. I'm going to see the little red button, and it automatically set what kind of amperage you need. And you can also change your arc force. And that helps. You could click it, and you could just turn this, and you bring your arc force up. If you want to, it helps you with your starting of your machine. And if you let it sit there for like 3-4 seconds, it automatically go back to currents. So you could adjust your currents right there. And if you hold this for like 3 seconds, you can go between MMA and also touch start for your TIG. So I'm going to push it. That's MMA. Push it again. That's your touch start for TIG. Push it again. And if you don't push this thing within 3-4 seconds, it reverts back to its original setting. So that's all to it. And I'll make a follow-up video on how this thing will. And like I said, it's a little cracker box. It's real light. It's like a lunch kit.